Heidi ho, neighbors. We are heading over to the orifice. We got a rental at 10 and getting some struts finally put on the Ford Edge. You know, just trying to make some content. Got to keep recording. What do you guys think of this? What do you think of the Robin Hood effect hat? Maybe go one ear down, one up. You guys let me know. Write it down below. Hey, I never say like and subscribe too, so I got to get on that. So if you think that I'm funny, or if you want me to be funny, go ahead and let me know. Let me know. What up? All right, guys. The Edge is finally done. Just put the struts on. About to go drive it right now. See how she does. All right, so we're on the test drive for the Ford Edge for the struts, and the only problem I see is, woo-hoo-hoo! We need a renter. Let's go get one. Let's go get a renter, see what we got. We'll put them out there. I bet I'm gonna go run an ad. It's 2:15. We're gonna have this truck in the streets. I'd say by 6 o'clock. I already have some other ads up and running, so it's kind of cheating, but I'm gonna blast this one. Try to get it to catch a little extra attention. The test right here. No clunking, no clanking, no tanking. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Smooth sailing. This is my racetrack over here. I don't think these people that own the road are cool with that, but sorry, Plody. Y'all got a straight strip. This guy's over here doing a photo shoot. He knows about the road. He knows what's up out here riding. I don't want him to think I'm recording them. There we go. That's it. That's all she wrote.
Look up,